Welcome to this video series of the Python course. In the previous videos, the topics that we have covered include basic syntax in Python, introduction to data types, learning the use of if, elif, and else statements, loops in Python, defining and calling functions in Python, basic data structures in Python, basics of file handling. In today's video, we will discuss about Python libraries, starting with what are Python libraries. Python libraries are essentially like toolkits filled with pre-built functions, classes, and modules that developers can utilize to enhance the capabilities of their Python programs. Think of them as a vast collection of ready-made solutions to common programming tasks. These libraries cover a wide range of functionalities from numerical computations to web development, machine learning, and more. Importance of Python library. Python library provide ready-made solutions, saving developers time and effort. Developers can leverage established libraries, avoiding reinventing the wheel and accelerating development. Pre-built algorithms, functionalities in libraries expedite the development process. Developers can focus on higher learning problem solving, speeding up product delivery. Libraries encourage collaboration within the Python community. Developers can share code, contribute to open source projects, and collectively improve solutions. Examples of Python libraries, starting with NumPy. NumPy is essentially for numerical computing and mathematical operations, providing powerful array manipulation capabilities. Pandas. Pandas is key for data manipulation and analysis, offering intuitive data structures for handling structured data efficiently. Matplotlib is a versatile library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations, offering a wide range of plotting functions and customization options. Coming to TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a leading framework for building and training machine learning models, including deep learning with high-level APIs and distributed computing support. Django is a robust web framework for building scalable and secure web applications, offering a comprehensive set of tools for common web development tasks. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a popular machine learning library in Python, offering a wide range of algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. PyTorch. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning framework that accelerates the path from research prototyping to production deployment, known for its flexibility and ease of use. These libraries offer us specialized functionalities and cater to diverse needs, contributing to the richness and versatility of the Python ecosystem. How can we install Python libraries? Installing Python libraries uses package managers like pip, meaning Python Package Index, or Conda, and a Conda distribution. After installing libraries, we can import libraries in our Python scripts or interactive sessions using the import statement, and then we can utilize the functions, classes, and methods provided by the libraries to enhance our code's functionality. This code demonstrates both the installation of NumPy library using pip and the subsequent import statement to use the library in Python code. So, this marks the end of this video, and that was all about libraries in Python.